Cumin, a plant species belonging to the parsley family, blooms with white and pinkish flowers. It is a herbaceous plant growing between 40 and 60 centimeters in height. It is called Cuminum siminum in traditional medicine. Its homeland is the eastern Mediterranean and the Middle East. Cumin, an annual herb, originated in India and is now cultivated in many countries, especially in the Middle East and the Mediterranean. There are many studies proving that cumin can improve digestion. A common use of cumin is indigestion. Cumin has been used for centuries to treat stomach problems. Research has shown that cumin contains a variety of nutrients that can aid digestion by increasing digestive enzymatic activity. It reduces liver inflammation and eliminates toxins from the body. It is used to treat asthma and bronchitis and reduces the risk of developing them. Cumin is effective in reducing cholesterol, HbA1c, and triglyceride levels, as well as reducing the H. pylori bacteria that causes stomach ulcers. Urinary tract infections can be eliminated. Cumin is believed to enhance sexual performance when mixed with black pepper and honey in some Middle Eastern countries. It has a sharp, bitter, and slightly harsh taste. It is especially added to meat dishes. It is used in many local dishes such as kebabs, as well as to flavor some drinks and pastry dishes. Nutritional values: 100 grams. Calories: kcal, 374. Total fat 22 g. Saturated fat 1.5 g. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 168 milligrams. Potassium 1.788 milligrams. Carbohydrate 44 g. Dietary fiber 11 g. Sugar 2.3 g. Protein 18 g. Vitamin C 7.7 milligrams. Iron 66.4. Vitamin B6 0.4 milligrams. Magnesium 366 milligrams. Calcium 931 milligrams. In addition, a 2014 study found that overweight and obese women who consumed 3 grams g of cumin powder in yogurt every day for 3 months had significant reductions in body weight, waist size, and body size. A 2017 study examined how caraway oil affects blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. One group of participants was given 100 milligrams of caraway oil daily and the other 50 milligrams. After 8 weeks, blood glucose, insulin, and hemoglobin A1c levels were significantly reduced in both cumin oil groups. Cumin aids digestion by increasing the activity of digestive proteins. It can also reduce the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. As one of the gut-friendly herbs, cumin supports pancreatic enzymes and facilitates digestion by stimulating the salivary gland. Cumin seeds contain thymol and essential oils, which stimulate the salivary gland and make digestion go more smoothly. According to a study by the Cancer Research Laboratory, cumin aldehyde, a compound found in cumin, inhibits tumor growth. Cumin essential oils are hypnotic and have calming effects that relieve stress and anxiety that often cause insomnia. Due to its powerful anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, cumin is a great treatment for asthma and colds. It acts as an expectorant, loosening phlegm and mucus and facilitating its elimination from the respiratory tract. The essential oil is disinfectant and prevents infections as well as strengthening immunity. Consuming cumin improves mental health and sharpens memory by nourishing brain cells with minerals and vitamins such as riboflavin, vitamin B6, zeaxanthin, and niacin. You can use cumin to flavor your dishes. You can also drink cumin tea by making cumin tea. Use cumin seeds for this. Throw a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a glass of hot water and drink it after waiting for 5 minutes. How to make cumin powder. Clean the cumin seeds. Clean the cumin seeds using a strainer or sieve to remove any stones, soil, or other impurities. Use a blender or grinder. Place the cleaned cumin seeds in a blender or spice grinder. Grind the seeds to a fine powder. Now your own homemade cumin powder is ready. You can use the cumin powder made with this method in your meals or various recipes. Pregnant women are not recommended to use cumin powder. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. See you in the next video.